Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's Google My Business video, I want to talk about an optimization, a tip, a Google My Business optimization tip for 2020 that will significantly increase your leads, increase your sales, and increase your traffic. So in this video, I will walk you through a tip that you can implement today. So if you are interested in increasing your sales, your traffic, and your click-through for your business, get more calls, then stick with me. Let's not waste any time. Now, I want to share with you a study that was conducted by SEMrush. SEMrush is an excellent tool, and during this study, what they conducted and what it was for email marketing. Now, I know that this is a Google My Business video, but regardless of the platform, user behavior is very similar for any platform. What I want to share with you is the study and what they found out about using emojis for email marketing campaigns. Click-through rate, if you are wondering, is the percentage of people who view your ad, or in this case, your Google My Business, and then actually go and click on it. And we know that everything starts with the click, whether it's a phone call, whether it's reading a piece of content, whatever the case is, everything starts with the click. So what they found was by utilizing emojis, it actually encouraged click-through. So what I want to do is I want to show you a way that you can utilize a quick and easy tip for your Google My Business to increase the click-through rate. Now, I want you to heed warning. There are particular emojis that Google could confuse with schema emojis, and that particular schema is star. So we do not want to utilize the star. However, I am going to show you some emojis that you can use that will really grab the attention of your potential customers so you can increase your CTR and furthermore increase your leads, sales, and traffic. I'm going to hop over here to Google My Business and I'm going to show you how to utilize emojis to increase your CTR, your traffic, and your leads. So we're going to sign up for a new Google My Business, and I want you to pay close attention. And again, please steer clear of the stars, but I am going to show you the stars just to give you an understanding and a quick view of exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so we're going to go ahead and just start a Google My Business. Now, if you already have a business name and you're conducting and getting traffic, you may not want to make any changes as of yet. However, if you are brand new and you're about to go ahead and add in a brand new business profile for your Google My Business, a simple tweak, a simple optimization tip could be utilized, or if you're expanding your Google My Business, this simple tip could drastically increase your CTR. Now, as you know, adding in keywords to your name is against the Google guidelines. However, you are able to add in emojis and it will not go against the terms of service. So let me just go ahead and show you how this works. So we'll go ahead and we'll add our business to Google. All right, and we're going to go ahead and just put those emojis right there. So as you can see, we're going to go to next. Our business category is going to be, so we're going to go ahead and add in some of these details here. We have walked through and you can see that it is literally within the business name. Now, this listing is unverified and it does take a little bit of time, but let me show you how this would look in the results. So let me take you to another Google My Business listing that I'm not affiliated with, but I want to show you what emojis look like when you achieve the snack pack. As you can see, appliance repair Los Angeles. I want you to take a look here. Somebody that has added a star to their listing, and I've just gave you the walkthrough on how you can do this. Now, obviously, having a star could be considered misleading, so I would not use a star. But as you can see, this green check or an arrow is very, very effective. And just like with the study here, as far as SEMrush for email marketing. So I feel that a hand or a check, something that draws the eye, could be very, very beneficial for the click-through, the traffic, the leads, the phone calls for your business. So this is what it will look like in the SERP. I showed you the walkthrough step by step on how you can add it. Again, I would not use the stars, but if you have any questions about Google My Business optimization, increasing your leads, your sales, I mean really anything Google My Business or SEO related, please ask in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Google My Business optimization tips video. You have a wonderful day.